Hello and welcome to another update video about Doge. In this video I just want to take a look at the smaller time frame for Doge. In the last video, if you're interested, I also checked out the bigger picture, the overall larger time frame for Doge. So you might want to check that out if you're new on this channel or if you're interested in the bigger picture. This here is, as I said, just a shorter time frame structure view where the price reacted here. The price reacted to our support region back in August, okay, and then spent still August, September in the support region, even half of October, but then finally left the support region. And as you know, it's always the case, crypto, usually we're just dealing with sideways price action for a long time, and then when it moves quickly. I think as we speak, or as I record this video, Bitcoin has just made a new all-time high as well. So things are going definitely in the right direction. Now for Doge, the idea is still that the move up from the swing low here, from the swing low on the 3rd of October, looks like a 5-wave move all the way up to the 29th of October high. And this here looks like 5 waves up in wave 5 of C of 3. So that's the third wave after the wave 2 bottomed in September. We're dealing with an ABC structure here in the third wave, and the C wave is always the 5-wave move. Why are we dealing with ABC structures in the third wave? Because the entire move up is a so-called leading diagonal in wave 1, and that wave 1 is a 5-wave pattern as well. Why is it a diagonal? Because this here looks corrective, and this here clearly, this is clearly a 3-wave move up. So I'm labeling this as wave A of 3. And then this was wave B, and this is wave C of 3. And this here could all be part of a 4th wave. Now, in 4th waves, B waves can overshoot. All right, they can overshoot. And that B wave is massively overshooting. So it's not, it's not invalid, but I'm definitely open to the idea we could actually form one more extension in the 3rd wave. So the wave 3 would wander to the top there. But I need one more high for that, because at the moment, this last rally is a 3-wave move, which could be a B wave. And B waves are always, not always 3-wave movements. They can also be triangles. Well, I can tell you this is not a triangle, as you can probably tell. But it's a 3-wave move up. So at the moment, I can label that as B wave. And we just have to be ready that if the price breaks below that upper micro support area between 17.4 and 20 cents, and we're already in that support area, we're testing it. But if we break below it, then this is a signal that we're moving down in wave C of 4. Definitely plausible. It's that C wave is due, support in that case would be between 15.2 and 11.7 cents. From here, then the 5th wave can start. But as I said, I'm open to the idea we get one more extension higher. But while Bitcoin is going higher, let me just double check. Yeah, Bitcoin is back above 77K actually. Well, I shouldn't say back above, it's new all-time high. And Doge isn't doing much. So, it's not showing much, motivation to form that extension. So we are a little bit in holding mode, just observing. And I think the next decent setup actually could be that pullback into the larger support area. Not in terms of shorting, but should we get there, I think this is the area where you can watch for support for a possible upside turnaround. That's the upside, not the upside, that's the update for Doge. Upside would be nice. Yeah, that's the update for Doge. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. On the weekend, I'm going to publish the next newsletter. We typically send it out nearly every week. Can't do it every weekend, but nearly every weekend. So you can register for that completely for free. The link is below the video. It's the free newsletter link, or you just go directly to our website and you find it in the resources section. And then on the weekend, there'll be an update. There are updates for coins that are not part of, our YouTube analysis. There's mindset stuff in there. Typically an analysis of a different market like the NASDAQ or so. So all of that is part of it. So check it out if you're interested. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.